Here comes the Emirates, folks. This is EK30 from Dubai. Sorry, EK21 from Dubai. No, EK20, that's it. Nice. That's a hot little touchdown there. Welcome to Alison Fournette. Sorry, Bowers. How you doing, Alison? Welcome along. Thank you for joining us. Mark Webbo's here. Hello, Webbo, mate. How you doing? Welcome to New York. Hope you're doing well. Oh, JetBlue A321 due in from Heathrow. That's from Chris. Yep, JetBlue's on finals. Okay. From Heathrow. Another one from Gatwick. There's two JetBlue 21 Neos in. One from Gatwick. Oh, no, it's not. No, JetBlue A320 Neo from Gatwick is coming in. Oh, okay. So we got JetBlue A321 Neo from Gatwick, from Heathrow. Is it JetBlue? Yeah, JetBlue from Heathrow. Okay.